Hey guys! Y'all come in to our new shop. Check it out. Shanty2Chic.
Come on in, don't be strangers.
So we are so thrilled with this space, guys. Several months ago, Ashley, and actually it was only like a month ago, Ashley and I had this like
epiphany.
Yes.
That we've been doing this for 10 years. We don't have a dedicated shop that we can come and shoot in. We're trying to do it out of our houses. And we need a spot that we can get away from our house and actually work at our desks.
So we quickly found this space, and I think it was actually made for us. It's been so perfect, and we want to walk you through it really quickly and show you what we've done with the place.
We're only going to show you half. Today you get to see the shop. It's in progress still, but it's good enough to show you guys right now.
Absolutely. So I think the best place to start is on the floor. For the flooring, we chose to use this really awesome product called Block Tile. And these are actually PVC plastic tiles, and they're awesome because not only are they soft like on our knees and stuff when we're building, but they're also acoustic, so they take the echo out just a little bit.
It took us about 6 hours to install them all together. We used a saw and hammers. It wasn't that bad.
Once we learned we could use a hammer, things sped up quite a bit. So it was a lot of fun. And I guess you want to, like, which direction you want to start?
Let's start over here. So this blank wall right here is not only going to house our saw, we also have some really cool industrial shelves coming, and we're going to have like what, 2 big towers on each side. We're going to have some ceilings, some workbench area right here, and then we'll have a bunch of pegboard storage in the middle.
Yeah, so it's a big wall. When we first got in this space, the stairs were running up this wall, and we were like, that needs to be our backdrop. That needs to be our storage and our backdrop, because we have a great corner here where we're able to like pull out a big dining table and build right here. And so that's why we relocated to this direction. And check out these stairs, guys.
So special story about these stairs. Our stepdad, who's a contractor, came in here and he has been working his tail off. But he built these stairs for us in about 2 days, and he used this hog wire for the, what do you call that, instead of balusters.
I like it because it's kind of our style, like 2x4s, 2x6s, and you've got a beautiful set of stairs. I still think it's super industrial. I love the way that looks.
We thought about painting or staining the 2x4s, but we love the industrial look. So if you follow your eyes on up the stairs, you can see this railing up there on our loft, and that's what really sold us on this shop, is that it's got this huge storage area up there that we can put all of our lumber, all of our building supplies out of sight, but it's also really cute. So cute up there.
And because we like to use every space that we're given, we now have this dedicated spot under the stairs, and Ashley has a really cool idea for some doors to kind of cover it up, because right now that's just kind of housing our cleaning equipment and all that good stuff.
So coming soon, we'll have some doors right here that we can open and shut, maybe with some cute gate hardware.
A little bit of clamp storage there going on. So, and that moves us on to our big tool wall, and this is one of the most exciting parts of our shop. So we actually teamed up with one of our favorite brands, Wall Control, and they are life-altering metal pegboards. Y'all will never use a normal pegboard ever again.
And we speak from experience because we had the old school pegboards, and when we discovered these, we've never gone back.
So on this wall right here, we have like just our hand tools and
tool belts.
Okay, stop. We need to have a moment with these right here.
We'll share the link to these really cute hooks. You can get them in every letter, but we've obviously got an A and a W with our tool belts.
It's so important, guys.
That was like one of the first things that we talked about when we were talking about what we would put on our walls.
Yes, and then moving on down this wall, this is where all the magic happens. So this is where we keep a majority of our tools. We have them separated as best we can, and all the batteries. Got the bins. That's one of my favorite things about some of their storage right here, is we are able to pull the bins off to take the screws and go use them.
It's the smartest storage.
It's so smart. And you know, like the normal pegboards where everything falls off? Not that problem anymore. We have this kind of peep window that we had to cover, so Ashley decided she would make a cute little cover for it. And our command strips are failing us at the moment.
It's a little humid outside.
We'll work on it. Ooh, and we got more important things right here.
So we found some shop stools. We thought we had to have shop stools, and Whitney made some vinyl logos for us with our silhouette.
Yes, our silhouette machines, and so it's permanent vinyl.
They roll and they spin. What else could you ask for?
So the other big thing that we talked about when we moved into this space is finally having like a giant workbench. You know, everyone has different tool benches. We knew what we needed ours for, and so we kind of designed that to fit our needs. So we have storage on both sides. And then of course we have our foreman, some of our bigger tools down on the bottom. And the best part about this thing is that it's 4 feet by 8 feet. We actually bought a piece of Wilson Art laminate. Some of y'all may have seen that on our Instagram stories. And we covered the top with laminate, and we used our routers along this edge and painted it to match. So it's just a really strong, durable surface that we've never been able to have before in our own shop. So we're super excited about that. And mentioning tiny things, but these casters are flippin' awesome, and I'll link to them on Amazon. Look how easy these are, guys. So, and they're super cheap too and inexpensive. And moving on up, Ash, show them this. So we have like a metal just storage bar, so any of our extra bits, screw extractors, which we've needed quite a bit lately.
We did paint, we had the inside painted with pure white.
Sherwin-Williams.
We didn't paint it ourselves because there was a lot of scaffolding that we needed done. So if you need a good painter in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, email us.
We'll put his number on the bottom below.
Okay,
He's awesome. He's in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We just told him that we come first always. But y'all have to stay tuned because in a few weeks, we are gonna walk you through this door right here, and you'll get to see our office, and we're not quite finished working on that yet, but y'all are gonna be so excited.
So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.
And thank you guys so much for your support and for following us. It's because of you that we're able to have this space.
And now that we have this space, we can shoot a lot more videos for you and build a lot more furniture.
Shanty out.